A psychotherapist is a person licensed to practice medicine, engage in diagnosis or treatment of mental or emotional condition. B. A person licensed a psychologist by the government while similarly engaged. D. A minister, priest, or person reasonably believed to be so cannot, without the consent of the affected person, to be examined as to any communication or confession made to any advice given by him or her in his or her professional character in the course of discipline enjoyed by the church to which minister or priest belongs. E. Public officer cannot be examined during or after his or her tenure as communication made to him or her official confidence. When the court finds the public interest would suffer the disclosure, the communication shall remain privileged even if the hands of the third person who may have obtained information provide that the original parties to communication took reasonable precaution to protect its confidentiality. Testimonial privilege. Section 25. Parental and filial privilege. No person shall complete to testify against his or her parents, other direct descendant, except when such testimony is dispensable in the crime against the person or by one parent against other. And Section 26, privilege relating to the trade secret. A person cannot be compelled to testify about any trade secrets unless none of disclosure will conceal the fraud, otherwise work injustice. When disclosure is directed, the court shall take such protective measure as the interests of the owner of the trade secret and parties and furtherance of the justice may require. And Section 27, admission of a party. The act, declaration, omission of the party as to irrelevant the fact may be given in evidence against him or her. Section 28, offer of compromise is not admissible. In civil case, an offer of compromise is not unadmissible of any liability is not admissible in evidence against the offer of. Neither evidence of conduct nor statement made in compromise negotiation admissible except evidence otherwise discoverable or offered for another purpose, such as proving bias or prejudice of a witness, negativing contention or undue delay, or proving an effort to obstruct a criminal investigation or prosecution. In criminal case, except those involving quasi-offense of criminal negligence or allowed by the law, compromise of an offer of compromise by an accused may be received an evidence as implied admission of guilt. And plea of guilty, latter withdrawn and accepted of offer plea guilty to lesser offense is not admissible in evidence against the accused who made a plea or offer. Neither is any statement made in the course of plea bargaining with the prosecution which does not result in the plea guilty or which results in the plea of guilty, latter withdrawn, admissible. An offer to pay or the payment of medical, hospital, or expenses occasioned by an injury is not admissible in evidence as a proof of civil or criminal liability for the injury. And Section 29, admission by the third party. The rights of the party cannot be prejudiced by an act of declaration or omission or another, except hereinafter provided. And Section 30, admission by the co-partner or agent. The act or declaration of a partner or agent authorized by the party to make a statement concerning a subject or within the scope of her authority, and during the existence of the partnership or agency may be given evidence against such party that the partnership of agency is shown evidence other than such act of declaration. And the same rule applies to act or declaration of a joint owner, joint debtor, or other person jointly interested with the party. And Section 31, admission by the conspirator. The act of declaration of a conspirator and furtherance of the conspiracy during its existence may be given in evidence against the co-conspirator after the conspiracy is shown by evidence other than such act of declaration. Section 32, admission by freebies, where one derives a title or property from other and the latter's act, declaration, or omission in relation to the property is evidence against the former if done while the latter was holding the title. And Section 33, admission by silence, an act or declaration made in the presence, within the hearing or observation of the party who does or say nothing when the act or declaration is such as naturally call for action or comment if not true, and when the proper possible for him or her to do so may be given against him or her. And Section 34, confession, the declaration of an accused acknowledging her guilt of the offense charged of or of any necessarily include therein may be given evidence against him or her. And previous conduct as evidence. Section 35, similar acts as evidence that one did or did not do certain thing at one time is not admissible to prove that he or she did not do the same or similar thing that another time, but it may be received to prove a specific intent or knowledge, identify, plan, system, scheme, habit, custom, usage, and like. And Section 36, an accepted offer of an writing pay a particular sum of money or delivered a written instrument or specific personal property is if it is rejected without the valid cause equivalent the actual production and tender of the money, instrument, or property. And Section 36, testimony generally confined to personal knowledge, hearsay include